how does our mind regulate our body? Because everybody knows that, right? That our brain, our mind somehow is connected to our body and controlling how we move, how we stand, our breathing, our pain, our sleep, our stress. For the last 16 years, we've been decoding the neurocode of human physiology. What are the patterns in our mind? What are the brainwaves in our mind that regulate our physiology? So we've been doing that. And then we figured out how to restore those programs, the neural programs, to homeostasis, to factory reset.
Wow.
And we do it through a technology I've developed called VTT. VTT is a platform of skin stimulation. So you know how blind people read with Braille?
Yeah.
Right? Which is just texture that we've learned, but still the electrical signal is going from our fingertips into our nervous system and into our mind, which is processing the signal as language. So my theory was, if our skin can process a learned thing, can it understand things that we're pre-programmed with? Because no one teaches us pain. From the minute we're born, we can process all these natural processes. So over the last 16 years, we've developed our own system of Braille, which is like writing on the skin. So when you saw that patch, see the texture on it? Every one of our patches has a different pattern of stimulation, different pattern of texture that speaks a different language to our mind, and it uses our skin receptors to generate that nervous signal. And we do it without batteries, without electricity, without chemicals, without any supplementation, without drugs. So we've developed a true drug-free solution for some of the biggest health and wellness needs in the world.
Well done, man. Yeah. So
Thanks,
I just put 2 of these on my back. I have arthritis. So how long would I expect to start feeling it, I guess?
The clinical studies show that 85% of people see relief in about 20 minutes, and they see about a 72% reduction in the discomfort.
Wow.
This is tested against placebo. It has a p-value of 0.1, so 0.001, right? So what that means is there's no chance that this is a placebo, right? So when you take a look at studies, you want to make sure that the p factor, which is the probability, is 0.05 or less. So this means that there's only a 1 chance out of 1,000 that what you're feeling and the benefit that people are getting in the study isn't real. Because, you know, when people see something new, they're highly skeptical. Oh, that must be a placebo. No, the study shows that this is not a placebo, that the results tested against a placebo product, a sham product, that the results were significant and they were statistically and clinically significant.
That's crazy.
It's absolutely mind-blowing.
Yeah, because I know a lot of people are skeptical of patches, right?
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of bad actors in the space.
Well, listen, most of the patches in the world right now, they've been around for a long time. There's a nicotine patch and they have some other kinds of patches, but 99%, 100% of the other products on there are releasing some kind of supplement, some kind of vitamin, some kind of hormone with melatonin stuff into the body. What that leads to is adaptation. Our body's going to adapt to anything that we're adding to our body, right? So whether we're adding a vitamin or adding electricity, we're going to need more and more of it to have an effect, right? We're not adding anything to the body. We're just helping the body restore itself to where it was. So what that means is there's no habituation. We don't get used to it. We don't get stuck on it. We don't get addicted to it. And there's no side effects. So nothing bad's going to come out of it. Is it 100% effective for 100% of people? No, but nothing is. Right?
Yeah.
But if we can get to working for 85% of the people with 85% effectiveness, without drugs, without side effects, that's something the world's clamoring for. The world is asking for this.
That'd be huge.
Yeah.
Because that's the problem with a lot of pills, right? The side effects.
Well, we've seen all the ads on TV, right? You have one benefit and 1,000 side effects, right? One of those side effects is like, you might die, right? So we're trying to stay away from that. And people are like, well, how does this come about? Why is this so important? If we take a look at the wider condition of healthcare and what people need for their health and wellness today, 85% of the people that are in the doctor's office today are there for one of 3 reasons. Some kind of aches and pain, poor sleep, low energy, okay, fatigue. And the only thing the doctor has is something that they're going to write on a prescription pad. By law, by the way. They're not even allowed to talk about any complementary alternative solution. That's the healthcare system. How did it get there? Over time, right? So once upon a time, humanity, us, people like us, our grandparents, our great-grandparents, they were being wiped out by things like polio, smallpox, measles, you name it, right? And Western medicine became really, really great at making vaccines and antibiotics to deal with that. So we've wiped out those things for the most part. We don't hear about smallpox or polio. And this whole industry built around infectious diseases. What's happened, though, is over time, our needs have changed. away from infectious diseases to chronic conditions. But the system still wants to make a pill because that's what it's designed to do.
Mm-hmm.
We're being tormented by chronic issues, right? So people say, well, I've gotten older, my balance is bad. What do you got for that? Nothing, right? So we have a patch called the Liberty Patch. It clinically shows to improve postural stability and balance in adults by 31%.
Wow.
Okay? Why is that important? Because balance is recognized as the most reliable biomarker for longevity in adults. So massive global study that showed that adults that have better balance live longer.
That's crazy.
It's fact, though. This is crazy, right? And in many parts of the world now, primary physicians are implementing a balance assessment for every patient that comes in because it's the most reliable wellness biomarker. It's the most reliable marker for longevity. So what in the world have you heard of that improves your balance instantly? Nothing.
Nothing.
Right? Why? Because balance is a neurological control. Our mind controls our balance, not our shape of our feet, not our knees, not our leg muscles, none of it, right? And now we add to that other studies that we've done with our Victory Patch, which improves leg power by 10%. So now not only have you more balance, you have better foundational strength, which leads to less injuries, less fall risk. All those amazing things come into play. So we've done studies for pain, for sleep, for power, for balance, for stress, all without drugs, all with clinical studies, all with efficacy, all with statistical significance.
Damn. I need that 10% one when I'm playing basketball.
Right there, the Victory Patch, first one closest to you. So we did the study at the University of Arizona with D1 athletes. So we were already talking about elite athletes.
Mm-hmm.
Placebo-controlled RCT study. So the placebo word cracks me up because people don't know what it is. And when you tell them the study has a p-value of 0.001, they're like, okay, we get it. So placebo had a 2% improvement. Because placebo will always have something. The sham product had a 2% improvement.
Yeah.
The Victory Patch had a 10% improvement with elite athletes improving the power coming out of their knees and balancing their weak side with their dominant side. Like you're an athlete. So how important is that as a basketball player where the weak side is now as strong as their dominant side?
Super important.
Super important, right? You're going to move left as well as you're going to move right. When you jump up, you're going to land more balance. You're going to jump up more balance. It's everything. Injury prevention is as important as performance. Right? The number one detractor to performance, injury. Skills can't overcome injury, man. Once you're hurt, you're hurt.
Yep.
So we can help that, reduce that, and help performance without drugs, without chemicals. They're not gonna pee in a container and blow up, right? It's gonna be okay.
Wow, that's huge, man.
It's massive, right? And we did it at a leading athletic school. Because that's the community we have to convince, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like going to a non-athletic community didn't make any sense for us. Go to the people where their athletic performance is so hard to improve. Where they're in the last percentile anyways. Well, you can get 10% more power, more peak inflection force from a D1 athlete.
That could be the difference with making the NBA and not 10%.
Anything. Right? Because they're already elite. Imagine what could do the average person. So we have testimonials from people that are blowing past their personal best, blowing past their plateaus. We're like, okay, we'll take it without a drug. So the beautiful thing is, it doesn't matter what your exercise routine is, what your nutrition is, what your treatment plan is. Everything gets better, right? Because we're not interrupting anything. We're just enhancing it. So we don't get in the way of saying, well, my coach said, do what your coach said. He's going to do it better with this.
Mm-hmm. And can you just leave it on, or how long does it last?
So the patches are designed to last 24 hours. Then you want to peel it off and put another one in. The efficacy, the benefit lasts for that 24 hours, right? Sometimes it lasts a little bit longer, but it's designed for about 24 hours. Then you want to peel it off, clean the skin because of the adhesive, and apply it again.
Nice.
And you don't have to if you don't want to. Because there's no addictive nature to it, because you're not going to get habituated to it. It's not going to be like, oh, you're going to start jonesing. I'm trying to need my pad. It's like, you know what? Hey, I don't want to wear it today. That's fine. So it's not a crutch. This is a ladder. You climb this to where you want to go, and you can take it off and enjoy it.
I'm impressed, man. I got to admit, I see a lot of health products, but this is really unique.
It's one of one. There's nothing like it in the world.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.